Grass Energy, Piloswine, Gardenia's Vigor, Wishcash, Yama, Drifloon, Suzoludo, Kumbe. What is that, guys? You guys see that? Ralts, Togepi, and Origin form Palkia V-Star. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, I don't have this card yet. Or do I? I don't remember. But oh my gosh, it's such a pretty card, isn't it?